Alright, here we go. The next metal loot box, crate, whatever you want to call it. I call it a package because it's now a package. It has been a package for quite some time now. If you don't know what the metal crate is, it is loot crates for metalheads. It's great. You get a patch, usually, t-shirt, some extra goodies sometimes, 2 CDs usually. Good stuff. Last month was pretty much, obviously, Halloween. This is going to be the November one. Well, it's the October one that they did in October, but it's coming in November. The November one that's coming in a few days, or at least is being ordered in a few days, because every month you order it and you get it the next month. Will be obviously the next month. So this month will be, well, this is last month, and this month will be December, Christmas, which is great because they always have really good ones. Kind of between October and like December, they get some really good ones. So it'll be very interesting to see what they give you. So let's just get through it. I think the last Christmas one I got was like the Santa, but like the Satan Claus one, which I thought was really nice. So, you know what? We're going to have to use these because this isn't the one I opened. But yeah, it'll be very interesting to see what we get with this one. I'm really excited, actually. I love these things. This one probably won't be anything crazy special, but that's fine. Oh, I feel some big things in here. Oh, okay. You know when I said sometimes you get some special things? Yeah, that's pretty special, actually. I was not expecting that. So first up, we get a Cliff 'em All pin. That is amazing. Absolutely gonna wear that for Froth and Fury, I reckon. That looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. Get to it, yeah. Cliff 'em All. Yeah, boy. Respect, Cliff. So the cool thing is they gave you a bag. Like, it's actually not bad. Like, it's pretty good quality. It's a heavy metal debuff. Nice. That is sick. I mean, I'm not a musician. I had a guitar that I played, but I wasn't. The best I could do was vibrato. So you know, not really sure what that is. I think that's probably, is it the death metal, like zzz, possibly? I don't know, but it's cool. Cool nonetheless. So with that, that would probably be the non-patch one. All right, let's have a look. What do we get? Okay, so we've got 2 CDs. This one looks like black metal. In Confair, which looks pretty cool. It looks very much like extreme black metal to me, but I mean, it's hard to tell. Looks very nice. I like the red. And Brazen Tongue, that's got to be death metal. That's absolutely got to be death metal. There's no way in hell that's not death metal. That is absolutely death metal. The Weight of Self, Meta Viral, Walk in the Parapets, Last Train from Myrtle. Oh, could be progressive death metal. Don't know. By the way, pretty cool. Not bad so far. And the shirt. Let's have a look at the shirt. Karag Alcest? I actually don't know, but I think that looks absolutely amazing. That's sick. That actually should have been the Halloween t-shirt, I reckon, because that looks pretty sick. Cardiac Arrest. Cardiac Arrest. That's the band. Okay. I was like, what? Alcest? Not bad. As you can tell, you get some good CDs, which is what I like, and you get, like, this is the best stuff. This right here. No patch this time. We got the bag, which, again, bags are cool. Not my favorite thing. I mean, I think they gave some good coolers, I think, lately, and they gave us a few mugs. That would be cool, but sometimes they wait around. But, yeah, no, good stuff as usual. Solid. Not the best they've ever done, but very solid. But anyway, that's the loot crate. Check it out. You can get CDs, vinyls. I was going to say VHS then, but I'm like, no. You can get cassettes, and you can get CDs, vinyls, cassettes, and I think that's it. I think that's it, basically. And that's not bad. I mean, that's pretty cool. Different genres. I selected like thrash metal more so, but I don't know, maybe they just went to full metal now. Not too sure, but it does. I think they've changed it where it rotates between, like, 1 month you get death metal, another month you get progressive and thrash. At least that's what it seems like, because these ones feel different from the last ones and so on and so forth. But yeah, anyway, Aussie Viking out. I shall see you in Valhalla. You guys are awesome. You're amazing. You are loved, and I shall see you all next time. Bye.